I'm instructing my administration to halt funding of the World Health Organization while a review is conducted to assess the World Health Organization's role in severely mismanaging and covering up the spread of the coronavirus.
US President Donald Trump says swifter action by the WHO would have saved thousands of lives and avoided an economic meltdown. He has accused the organization of pandering to China and accepting its much-questioned death toll at face value. But Trump had himself heaped praise on China, tweeting in January that the US greatly appreciated Beijing's efforts and transparency. The Democrats have consistently accused the president of trivializing the virus.
You know, Donald Trump downplayed the seriousness of this crisis for weeks, and he continues to delay the mobilization of the national resources to deliver life-saving equipment for our doctors, our nurses, our frontline workers. And as a result, this virus will hit all of us harder than it otherwise might have hit us. And it's going to take us longer to recover.
In February, Trump suggested the virus would disappear like a miracle. But the US is now the worst affected country, with around a third of the world's cases. And critics say the president is using the WHO as a scapegoat to deflect from his handling of the crisis. The US makes the single largest contribution to the WHO, having paid almost $900 million in the last 2 years. The EU and many individual countries have condemned Washington's unilateral suspension of funding. But the WHO has recognized that in due course its performance should be reviewed. And past reviews have highlighted major failings, such as during the 2014 Ebola outbreak in West Africa. But it says now is a time to unite against a common enemy.
We regret the decision of the President of the United States to order a hold in funding to the World Health Organization. With support from the people and government of the United States, WHO works to improve the health of many of the world's poorest and most vulnerable people.
And it's those people who are likely to feel the impact of any US funding cuts, often living in places where the WHO conducts invaluable work in the prevention of diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, and AIDS. Even if Trump has valid criticisms, many say he is acting for the wrong reasons at the wrong time. So is the US president more concerned with saving face than saving lives? Or is he prompting a much-needed review of a failing organization? Adam Pletts, The Newsmakers.